Look at this dude.
What's up, guys? What's up? Coming in the building, like, comment, and subscribe. Wagwan peeps. And we're there with another
brand new banger.
What y'all do inside? Alright, peeps. We're there. This one is gonna be exciting. We're there with some McDonald's nuggets. You know, this was McNuggets. Sorry. So here we are, guys. And you might
20 each.
20 each. You might be wondering what we're gonna do today. You see, this idea is Miss Psynos' idea, right? Hey, oh God.
I can eat this
Pretty much what we're gonna do
I'm
today.
gonna put on the timer.
Yeah, put on the timer. But hold on, I'm gonna tell them about them. So you see all these sauces up here is all the sauces that McDonald's have, right? And we're going to do a challenge to see who can eat off 20 chicken nuggets. Every time you eat one, you have to dip it in this, but you have to eat it in 5 minutes.
No.
Or who first done
8 minutes.
No, 5 minutes. 5
Alright,
minutes.
who first done within 10 minutes?
5 minutes.
No.
I
can't eat it all.
You said 5 minutes. So pretty much
No.
what I do, who can eat off 20 McNuggets in 5 minutes. Every time you eat one, you have to dip it in the sauce. And you have drinks too, so you know you can't cut your throat.
But no, rules are we cannot drink until we finish.
Bitch, what?
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, she got that thing still. 5
But
minutes.
that's how we play. You
Alright.
can't drink anything until it finishes.
Alright, 5 minutes. You got 5 minutes to eat 20 nuggets every time
5
you eat
minutes,
it.
come on.
And then you dip.
8 minutes.
No, 5 minutes.
No.
6 minutes. 6 minutes.
6 minutes.
6 minutes. Yeah,
That no better need about
6 minutes. Alright, see? We're not cap 6 minutes. Every time you eat piece or half, you have to dip it in one of them sauces.
Shit.
And you need to try every sauce. So for me, I left go, right go left. For you, I right go
Left to
left.
right.
Yeah.
For you, it's right to left. For me, it's left to right.
Yeah. So here we have the timer for Miss Psynos' phone. And we're gonna kick it off right now. You ready, Miss Psynos? How you feel? Are you a challenge, you know? As my grandmother would say. Why you? When you ready or no? Cause me ready, you know. You ready? Starting the timer so you can't see it. You can't see it?
They can't see.
Oh Lord, God, the brightness, the bright, shine diamond, diamond.
Shine bright, macadam.
You see them, you can't see it? You see? See that. I'm gonna start right now.
But
See
you
them?
started and when I start, alright, let's go.
Go.
No, you have to start it over because you that's not fair.
Bruh.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, start.
Let's go. Go.
So you're supposed to start from
Yeah,
Brother.
I'm off the start.
It's time for go.
Yeah, I'm hungry, you know. Make sure you know what you know when you cheat.
Oh God.
Yeah, man.
The pepper.
With pepper. Are you say? We know for drink. Come and join us. How's the day so far? Let's talk about things now.
Can we talk right now?
No, sure. What is sweet and sour? Sour sauce?
Run.
One. No, just come in it when you go for it, man. No, come in some of that cup of fire, man. Yeah. Me hungry. Me move, man.
1 minute.
1 minute and 30 seconds gone already. Not bad. About chill, about keep it going. That's bad. Let's start back again. Look at this. Man. Apart from the food, very soon. Jangan dapat dong. Saya susah. Dia food mayo. Misalnya, olha onde fica não falou. Misalnya, você put some in my plate.
That's why I'm gonna ask you always look now. The man eat on my food.
Look, yeah.
I was trying to just dip in.
Huh? Sure. My cheese. Don't, oh my God.
2 minutes.
2 minutes and 40 seconds, right? That's done. What I do? Yo, let me see how. Don't stop playing me, yeah? I'm too tired. We can't stop it now. The record is 6 minutes. If we don't stop, we have to continue go.
Buffalo sauce, man.
I'm not tired. I'm hungry. Oh my God. Eat nuggets after this.
3 minutes.
3 minutes and 50 seconds. Listen,
But it hurt me.
you sure never put nothing in mind now? I want to look for you.
I never touch it. I never touch it 4 minutes.
That's why I think it's a drink. Drink something, son.
No.
Do it, you know you want to. You know you want to. Go. Every time I do, I don't know what's up. Yo, YouTube, because they want some of them nuggets up, man. Help me, yo. Somebody help me, please. I'm begging you, I'm on my knees.
Janine, go help me.
My girl, I call from road manager. Shout out to road manager. JDZ, come help me. Enough. I talk about what? 20. You want to score? What's your 5 minutes?
Bomba, you see? That's why I say 8 minutes, guys.
No, she's your book record about 5 minutes first.
Because I was gonna do the 20 nuggets challenge. This are 40 nuggets in all. I was going by 20.
No one go. No one go belly. No get Two person. No go. Do it, Miss Psynos, do it. You're choking in it. You're choking in it.
I don't let nobody win me, no.
Sometimes you know things you put more for my thing. You know, I should count them. I should count them. I feel my Psynos at it. You can't go to 5.
6 minutes. Maybe we extend it to 10.
Miss Psynos put some in her mind.
I never put it in my mind. May I obviously I'm a moment.
Drink, Miss Psynos. I think you should drink. Come on, you know you want to. Psynos. Yeah, boy, now stop.
It's shot too much, you know?
No, you really want to go there? You think I'm in shot too much? She can't get that work and being a news anchor.
Oh!
Oh! You need drink some, you know you want. My time just drop some on the ground. I'll drop it on you. Oh, you eat so much already? You feel you put some in your mind?
I never for some of this.
I feel so.
I never for some of this.
Sometimes you say look enough for. You wonder if they do more, you know, so enough time when they order them always get extra and up here, right? Jesus.
I will never count it.
We never count it. Listen, look at that drinks right there. 7 minutes and 34 seconds. I'm counting. I can't.
It don't hurt me. It don't hurt me, God.
Oh God. Yeah, make up for me. I'm trying to sometimes I feel you put more in my mind. I feel you put some more in my mind.
No. I never do that.
Oh!
No, 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 no.
Look at it, so good.
You tap out? You tap out?
Yeah, man, congrats to my Psynos. No.
I'm gonna stop. 9 minutes.
Are you sure I continue? Yes,
You tap out, I win.
Yo. I couldn't do it. I feel there's something right on my throat right there, so. I couldn't do it. Congrats, Miss Psynos. One up. For you. Yo. I couldn't do it. Thank you very much for watching, peeps. Hope you enjoy this. Me couldn't.
Oh! He needs some milk!
I can't believe it. Miss Psynos get one after me, dog. After me, it's not because I'm not craving. You know, say I crave from people always with everything, yeah? Guys, thank you very much for watching this video.
No.
Yeah, I'm gonna try if you've done the rest of this and things. So, just up on Corona, I name that Corona. Thank you very much for watching. And just go on journey with your boy. And look out for more videos and things. Alright, so we're gonna go live stream right now for about an hour and thing. Thank you very much for watching this video. We're gonna wrap up this video now. Big up on yourself and just go on journey with your boy. Nuggets challenge below.
No matter how the time get hard, man, I go flip the paper. Like COVID could slow it down, go stop the bricks for later. Fire the devil cause it real and you're not Mr. Maker.